Good morning. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I've been feeling really tired and I have a persistent cough.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It started about a week ago. The cough has gotten worse, and I'm having trouble sleeping because of it.
Have you noticed any other symptoms? Fever, chills, or body aches?
Yes, I've had some chills and slight body aches, but no fever.
Thank you for sharing that. Have you had any recent illnesses or been around anyone who's sick?
No, not that I know of. I've just been stressed with work lately.
Stress can definitely take a toll on your immune system. Let's perform a quick examination to see what's going on. It looks like you might be dealing with a viral infection. I'll recommend some rest, plenty of fluids, and possibly some over-the-counter medication to help with the cough.
That sounds good. How long do you think it will take to feel better?
Most viral infections improve within a week or two with proper care. However, if your symptoms worsen or don't improve in a few days, please come back to see me.
Hello! Are you feeling okay? We're about to start the procedure. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest. That's completely normal. Can you tell me your name and what procedure we're doing today? My name is Alex, and I'm here for knee arthroscopy. Great, Alex. Just to confirm, you've signed the consent form, and you understand the procedure, right? Yes, I understand. You'll be using small instruments to fix the issues in my knee. Exactly. Do you have any allergies to medications we should be aware of? No, I don't have any allergies. Excellent. Have you had anything to eat or drink in the last 8 hours? No, I followed all the instructions. Perfect. We're going to administer anesthesia now. You'll feel a little sleepy. Will I be awake during the surgery? No, you'll be under general anesthesia, so you won't feel anything. We'll monitor you closely the entire time. That makes me feel better. How long will the procedure take? It usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on what we find. Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your reassurance. You're welcome. We'll take good care of you. Just relax, and we'll get started soon.